What's up, YouTube? This video is brought to you by Webull. If you'd like to help out the channel and get some free stock, make sure you check out my link below. Hey, I'm Chris saying that if you're new here, I make videos on personal finance and how to invest and build wealth in the stock market. Today's video, guys, is about our next home run. Okay, listen, I got a great one for us today, probably one nobody is even thinking about. Okay, and there's reasons why nobody is thinking about it, but again, I'm going to put it on you guys first. It's going to be our next big hit in the stock market. Okay, but before we jump into that, let's take a look at my portfolio. Okay guys, check it out. On the road to 100K, I'm currently sitting at $62,684.62. On the day, we are flat. Okay, on the week, we brisk flat as well. All right, almost down 1%. If I take you guys out 1 month, we are down a little over 1%. If we go 3 months out, we are up a little bit over 5%. Listen guys, if you're new here, please like and subscribe and join me on the journey to 100K. Okay, listen man, I come on here each and every day to show you guys how to properly build an investment portfolio. I started this account in January with $0 and free stocks, and then I built it all the way up to where you see it at today. Again guys, I show each and every day how to do this and what plays that you need to be in to do this. All right, without further ado, let's talk about our next home run play. Okay guys, there's been a lot going on in the stock market, and there will continue to be for the foreseeable future. As a result, that creates a buying opportunity for each and every one of you. Okay, and I'm going to drive the ship in terms of getting us to the promised land and making sure that we capitalize on everything the market has to offer. Okay, very few people can do as well as we do on this channel in this type of market. Okay, we are killing the S&P 500, we are killing the Dow, we're killing the Russell 2000. Any index that's out there, what we do on this channel is crushing the analysts, the experts, and everybody else. Okay, but there's a reason why we're able to do that. Research is top notch, due diligence is top notch, and that's what I got for you guys coming up next, man. I've been heavy in my bag researching this one new play for us, guys, and that play is Airbnb. Listen guys, the next upcoming IPO, new IPO, will be Airbnb. I've done all the research on it. I've looked at everything that you can possibly look at about this company. Okay, as well as I looked at the practical side of it in terms of the new normal, in terms of the work from home culture that we will now be living in. Okay, and as a result, we are going to have some great new opportunities in a company such as Airbnb, because although very few people will go back to an actual office and more people will begin to work from home, working from home can get old after a while. Okay, and as it gets old, there will be people, in addition to wanting to work and just switch up the scenery, use an Airbnb to just get away from their normal everyday. There still will be people that when travel comes back will again choose an Airbnb over your old hotels. Okay, as a result, we have some great opportunities in this play. Okay, in addition to that, Airbnb has the support of some heavy hitters. Okay, you guys got to always know not only who the leadership of the company is, but who are some of the leaders that are supporting the leaders of the company. And I'll just tell you this, for those of you that haven't done your research yet, if you think about these few stocks right here, and there's reasons why these stocks are better than other stocks. Think about Pinterest, think about DraftKings, think about Shopify. Just go do your due diligence on those companies, and just know the leadership that's behind Airbnb is the ones that's behind those companies. Okay, I can just drop the mic and leave it there. That gives me great hope that I know that Airbnb will follow the same success that you currently see DraftKings having, Pinterest having, Shopify, and a whole bunch of other ones I can tell you guys about. Okay, but listen, that's a great thing for us because we're going to be on the front end of this. Okay, I taught you in previous videos how to buy IPOs, how to play IPOs, and what to do with IPOs. However, there'll be a two-step process that I walk us through in terms of how we play it, how we get in, how we get out, but more importantly, how we hit the home run. Okay, so again, the announcement hasn't been made yet. That will come in November or December. Okay, we're not tripping on that. I'm just planting the seed early so that you guys can be ready for our next major play. Hope you guys appreciate that. Hopefully you guys like that foresight and have something positive to look forward to, okay? Because it's going to be on and popping when that time comes. Listen, guys, up next we have our word of the day, and our word of the day is gambler. Okay, guys, I often talk about there's 3 things you need to know as well as identify with in the stock market. Are you a trader, investor, or gambler? Today I'm focused on the gambler, okay? Because sometimes, guys, you can make investing in the stock market more difficult than it has to be, okay? And those of you that treat this like gambling, you're adding a little extra pressure on yourself when you can just, again, embrace being an investor, okay? Or get really good at trading, but have a strategy to how you trade, okay? If you're in and out, one, you're creating taxes for yourself. If you're in and out, you're creating more stress and anxiety for yourself because you probably have to watch the market more than most, or you probably have to watch the market more than you have time to do so, okay? That's the lifestyle of a gambler, all right? When you're an investor like me, most days we have our feet up. You very rarely ever will see me panic. I'm just a cool, calm, collective individual generally, but as an investor, I'm that way as well, okay? Why? I buy low. When you buy low, you don't have to worry about much. Number 2, I invest in quality, okay? I buy quality stocks. I do the research so that I know that my money is in a great asset, short term, mid term, or long term, okay? Those things matter, guys, okay? And as a gambler, you can't find that level of peace of mind because you're in and out. You're in and out. You're hopping around. You're jumping from this play to that play, okay? Again, guys, when you're setting up your portfolio, 3 to 5 stocks for you new and beginning investors is a good amount to start off with. You guys have to know each company you invest in like the back of your hand, and it's hard to know 40, 50, 60, 70 companies, okay? So 3 to 5 if you're new starting out. Then eventually get yourself up to 10, 15, 20, and then I like to cap mine at 25, okay? You know, on this channel my portfolio holds 25 stocks, and a lot of those is for I can show you guys how to dividend invest, how to have growth stocks, value stocks, and a whole 9, okay? Then I trade options and I show you guys successful and safe strategies to consistently make money doing options, all right? But again, you guys have to embrace, what are you? Are you a gambler? Are you a trader? Are you an investor? Ask yourself that question, figure out which one you are, be honest, and then work towards becoming what you need to be. All right, I won't belabor the point, guys. Up next is our question of the day, and our question of the day comes from LD. He says, how do we do a stop loss on a stock? Listen, guys, this is a great question, LD. I appreciate you for asking this because this provides us on the channel a teachable moment. Those of you that's been rocking me for a long time, you know I've taught you how to do stop losses. More importantly, the one we love is a trailing stop loss, okay? Today, I'm going to do a live demonstration for LD and any new or beginning investor, okay? Guys, if you rock with me, we never lose money in the stock market, and there's reasons for this. There's things you can do in terms of your investment approach, as well as there's things you can do in terms of what type of investor you are. Again, like myself, if you are buy and hold investor, if you're a long-term investor, you never have to worry about losing money in the stock market, because if you're ever down, you'll be in it long enough to recover all your money. 2, if you don't sell, you never lose money in the stock market. And number 3, if you guys learn how to do stop losses and trailing stop losses, you can always minimize, mitigate, and reduce your losses, okay? So guys, for the sake of helping everybody out, especially new and beginning investors, let's go ahead and do a trailing stop loss. Okay, we're gonna pick a random stock. I wanna show you guys. And while I'm breaking this down, listen closely, okay? Those of you that have hit home runs and you don't want to lose your profits, you should do this as well. Although this is for the new and beginning investor, I want you guys to consider this. Okay, figure out a stock that you hit a home run in, okay? Let's use Neo, okay? Neo, we bought at $7. It's now all the way up to $28. You're going to go to trade. You're going to go to sell, okay? Now follow my screen, okay? You see this drop down box at the top. It says shares, but you will hit that, and then you will be able to do a limit order, a trailing stop order. Let's show you guys really quickly what a trailing stop order will allow you to do. Okay, this is why I never have to pay attention to the stock market. If you come to any stock that you are up in and already hit the home run, you will simply come here and put a 5. Okay, that way if NEO drops 5%, I will lock in all my profits and I will never lose a dime in this play. Okay, also if NEO goes up to $30 or $40, this will trail it all the way up, and then if it ever drops 5%, it will take me out of the play, insulate, and make sure my money is safe and secure. This, guys, is how you dominate the stock market. LD, I hope that was helpful, man. This is called a trailing stop loss, and use it whenever you are up on a stock. Don't do it when you first buy it, but use it when you are already have massive growth in one of your investment plays. Listen, guys, I make videos like this every day, so if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result, very few consider the journey. Do me a favor, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stock using my link below, and I'll see you guys in the next one.